do a lot of work. They are the least pampered part of our body. To pamper your feet and keep them strong and flexible, a daily foot massage of a few minutes will be enough. Today's video will discuss 5 ways to get rid of health problems with foot massage. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. In fact, foot massage has been practiced in different cultures for years to promote health and well-being. Also, it has been a valuable part of complementary and alternative medicine. Combine a regular foot massage with reflexology to promote psychological as well as physical health. Here are top 5 benefits of foot massage and reflexology. Number 1. Promotes better sleep. Foot massage just before going to bed can help you sleep better. A soothing and relaxing foot massage will help the body unwind, improve blood circulation, and relax the nerves. This in turn will encourage restful sleep. These are certain acupuncture points on your feet that need to be massaged to promote sleep. Sit upright with your foot in your lap. Using your thumb, press in and around the large plantar pad of your big toe. Do this for at least 1 minute of each of big toes. Next, massage the bottom of your feet for 10 minutes with warm coconut oil, olive oil or mustard oil. Number 2. Improve blood circulation. Due to sedentary lifestyle, most of us do not use the muscles of our feet properly. Also, improper footwear like tight shoes hamper normal circulation in the feet. Foot massage will also stimulate the lymphatic system and help prevent varicose veins. Put any massage oil in your palm and rub it firmly on your foot for several minutes. Then stroke the foot gently but firmly from toes to ankle. Finally, give a gentle massage to your lower leg also. Repeat the same with the other foot. Number 3. Helps you relax. After a long, tiring day, the best way to relax is a soothing and relaxing foot massage. Particularly after a long day of standing and walking around when our feet tend to swell up. Also, foot massage gives you energy by releasing any blockage that hold back energy and relieving symptoms of stress and fatigue. Regular foot massage of 5 to 10 minutes before going to bed can improve feeling of general well-being. Always use warm oil for foot massage so that it easily penetrates deep in the skin. Also use gentle yet firm strokes. Number 4. Fight depression. Foot massage and reflexology can even help fight depression. Number 5. Relieve aches and pains. Reflexology can help treat different types of pains and aches such as headaches, migraine, neck pain, lower and upper back aches. Warning: most people can be benefits from regular foot massage. However, avoid foot massage if there are burns, open or healing wounds on your feet, fracture and severe osteoporosis. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.